Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. In case you're new here, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. My name is Magdalene. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I share hair videos, lifestyle videos, travel videos. So today, I'm currently trying to do a new style for my hair. I'm trying to change up my hairstyle for the week. So as per usual, I normally spray my hair, my natural hair, my false natural hair with water first, you know. So if you've not watched my other videos, I will link it in the cards. Just click and watch other videos. So I'll use water to just wet it first, then comb it through. And the next step is try to part it into sections because my false natural hair is quite short, so I just have to part it first. I'm trying to do a low bone natural hair. So normally we used to feel like my hair is too short, I can't pack it, but with if you have a very short hair, with this method you'll be able to pack your hair and to become slick, you know. So guys, I'll be going in with my eco gel. So the eco gel is what I'm going to use to slick it down to create a very low bun slick hairstyle, you know. So if you don't have an eco gel is very cheap, so easy to access, and this gel lasts longer. So I will put a generous amount starting from the back section, and after the back section I'll move forward to the front section, you know. I always pick the back section separate so that I'll be able to pack it into a bun first before I will not start adding other sections. So please give this video a thumbs up so that it will help boost my videos. Thanks guys. So guys, I've already parted the front section into two sections. So I have to put a generous amount of eco gel so that the front section will be well separated, and I'll now pick it section by section. So since I took one side first, then I'll put enough eco gel, then I'll comb it. So you do it section by section because it's easier that way for you to manage your natural hair. But if you don't do section by section, it's going to be all messy for you. So I kept on putting enough eco gel into one section, and I'll comb it down with a comb just to brush it down. You can use a very small comb to brush it down. You can use your normal natural hair brush just to brush it down. You can even smoothen it with just your hands, you know. Whatever you have, just make do what you have, but ensure that you do it section by section. That's the point. For that extra slickness for this hair, I had to go in with my actual hair brush, So you can, after smoothing, you can still go in with your airbrush to smoothing all the parts, and you can lay your edges to just give it just an extra move. So I allowed it set till the next day using my silk scarf. So I will always recommend a silk scarf because it's easier to just use and it's softer. So the next step is to make your ponytail. So I made a ponytail, for a braided ponytail, and it's very long braided ponytail to attach to it. I use a rubber band to attach it to my hair. So when I was done, I didn't really feel it because I felt it was too thin for me, so I had to eventually roll it around my head to make a bigger bun. You see it in the next clip. And please don't forget, bobby pin is your friend. You need a bobby pin to hold it in place, because without the bobby pin you'll not be able to cover up all those the back parts, so it will make it look neater, like a neater job, like you went to a proper salon. So use bobby pin to cover it up properly for yourself. I added an extra braids to it, like an extra attachment to it that is unbraided, so as to be able to roll around it for a neater coverage. So you want to do as much as possible to cover up that's your bun at the back of your natural hair, so it looks very neat and beautiful. So guys, this is the finished look. How do I look, guys? I love it. So you can carry this for like 1 week. You can maintain it. Always use your silk scarf. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.